About this item, widely compatible. The 4-in-1 charging cable is compatible with all series iWatch 7/6/5/4/3/2/1, 38mm, 40mm, 42mm, 44mm version, phone 12/11/Pro/Max/XR/XS/XS Max/X and pad, as well as the special limited editions magnetic adsorption charging. Simply hold the connector near the back of the watch. Magnetic attraction adsorbs watch automatically. Fast and safe charging. The 4-in-1 watch charger cord is made of high quality materials to improve charging and data transmission speed, ensuring an ultra-fast charging with no risk of overheating. You can give it to your friends and family as Christmas and birthday gifts. Portable design. The charger is convenient to charge watch/phone/pad at the same time. 3.93 feet length, portable for travel, can be put into your pocket or bag. Magnetic charging for iWatch. Built-in advanced magnetic adsorption module. The Apple Watch wireless charger dock makes it simple for you to put your iWatch down and charge it up. No messing with alignment. Just set it on the dock and get a boost of power. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, widely compatible. The 4-in-1 charging cable is compatible with all series iWatch 7/6/5/4/3/2